What do you want? Do you know that thing, like the New Year's resolution that you did, like last year for 2020, and then you were going to start a YouTube channel, and then everyone went into quarantine, and that was the time to start the YouTube channel, and then you didn't do it. We're doing that now. Okay, but like, I have nothing to film. Well, unboxings are very popular, but I don't have anything to unbox. Ah, well, you do now. Wait, what is that? It's the Ducky 12SF and a mouse. I don't remember which one, but you have stuff to unbox. Okay. But, isn't there a lot of competition for unboxing videos? It doesn't seem very original. Actually, I did the research for the keyword competition, and, like, actually, you know what? Like, you'll be fine. Yeah, just do it. You'll be fine. Shh, you'll be fine. You'll be fine. Well, guess I'm doing a keyboard unboxing. So today I'll be unboxing the Ducky12SF RGB mechanical keyboard with the cherry brown switches and the Logitech G203 LightSync gaming mouse in white. Yeah, I guess we'll just get right to it. Got my trusty scalpel. I'm just going to hope and pray that everything is intact and Australian Post didn't break my package. Ooh. Bubble wrap. More bubble wrap. Here's the mouse. She looks a bit squished. That's concerning. Hopefully she's alright. And the star of the show, the Ducky12SF. I'm going to do the Ducky keyboard first. I was chucking up between this one, so the 12SF, and the 12 Mini. And the reason I actually ended up getting this one instead was this is a 65% keyboard instead of the 60%, which is the Mini. The SF actually stands for 65%. Ta-da! Ooh, I like that it comes with like a little clear cover. That's pretty cool. So that you don't get dust all over your keyboard. Ooh. Ta-da! She is very, very pretty. Comes with the manual, and I'm assuming it will come with maybe extra accessories. Yes! So it comes with extra keys, an extra spacebar, as well as, of course, your USB Type-C connector, and the little keycap remover. That's a keyboard. I'm just gonna... Now, for the mouse, which looks dodgy, I hope that Australian Post didn't break it. Yep. Oh, here she is. Here's the cord, and she's just wrapped in a little bit of that. Matches the keyboard quite nicely. Not much to say here until I use it. It's got 2 side buttons, which I'll show a close-up of, and that's about it. It'll probably look much more interesting once I plug it in. It's an upgrade from my Officeworks mouse, which I think it says Otto on the thing, so I'm assuming that's just the brand. It was $10. This was, I don't remember how much, but hopefully a much better upgrade. So yeah, let's get some close-ups in. Okay, so here is a close-up of the keyboard. It comes with a cover, which can be very, very handy when you're not using it. here is the keyboard itself. I got the cherry brown switches because I really like the tactile feel. Ooh. Do you guys hear that? I'm going to annoy so many people. It also came with extra keycaps. And this is the USB Type-C to a USB Type-A cable, which it's not wireless, so you have to plug it in, which isn't really an issue for me. It also came with an extra spacebar keycap, which has like a little bunny rabbit design, if you guys can see that. I am going to try and remove one of the keycaps because I want to put the cute little blue ones on. I'm assuming the spacebar should just be easy to remove without, or maybe not. Ooh, yes, they are definitely the cherry brown switches. I don't know if you can see that, but yes, definitely got the right keyboard. It's great. I'm just going to put the blue caps on because I think they look very neat. Why I also got this keyboard is the all the switches are slightly slanted, and on this side you can see that it has secondary functions, and you can see them when the keyboard's facing you, but you can't see them from the top, and I thought that was a very fun, unique design. I just removed the space key, and here you can see that it's got two stabilizers so that the spacebar doesn't wobble as much. You can also see here that it's got two little LEDs. This is an RGB keyboard, and I'm assuming that's just for more lighting. Here is the switch, and here are the two stabilizers. And I'm just gonna put on the cool looking keycap. My only issue with the keycaps so far is that some of these, like, I really enjoy the blue keycaps, but so here we have a blue escape keycap. But if you look at the actual the keyboard, the escape key here, it's got the second function writing on it. If my camera will focus. There we go. I don't know if you guys can see it here, but it's got the second function on this edge, and the blue keys unfortunately do not have it. Which wasn't an issue with the arrow keys or the enter key because they didn't have anything on them. I guess I'll show you guys the keyboard in motion. So far I'm very satisfied. It feels very, very sturdy. Got some weight to it. And I was a bit hesitant about the cherry brown switches. I was tossing it up between the cherry blue switches and the browns. And I feel like these are definitely a little bit more tactile, and give off a little less of that clicky noise. If you flip the keyboard over, here you see the 4 dip switches, and that essentially changes the secondary functions. You also have 2 options here if you wanted to change the angle of the keyboard. You have the small, which slightly lifts it up, or you can lift it up even more with the larger ones. Both are very comfortable angles to use this keyboard. Okay, now that I've swapped out all the keycaps that I wanted, it's time to plug it in. I really like the attention to detail. They even put like the little cable tie here is It matches the keycaps. Look at that. Ooh, you probably can't see it very well with the very bright Australian sunlight, but it is RGB and it's very, very pretty. I now understand why there's extra LEDs here. It's so that the spacebar lights up. Looks really, really nice. There was an option for a white keyboard or a black keyboard. I definitely think that the white looks best with the blue keycaps and the RGB, but obviously up to personal preference. I will have a follow-up video obviously reviewing this keyboard in greater detail once I have used it for a while, but so far this is just my first impression. I really enjoy it. That can always change. I could hate it in a month. We will see. Now I'm going to move on to the mouse. Here we have the Logitech G203 Lightsync gaming mouse in the color white. I got this just so it would match my keyboard, and also I was in a dire need of an upgrade. There's not really much to say about the mouse. I got a very simple model just because I don't really play video games. I don't need anything special. It's got 2 buttons on the side here, one at the top as well as the scroll wheel, and it is RGB, so if I plug it in, it should go rainbow. Maybe. There we go. This is a very bright RGB. I didn't expect that. Maybe it's not coming off so well on camera, but it's definitely a bit brighter than the keyboard actually. Looks much more impressive once you've plugged it in. But yeah, that's about it. It's not as impressive. I will be also doing an update video on this as well as the keyboard. So make sure you subscribe if you would like to see how these products hold up in about a month's time. So here are the 2 products together. Hopefully you can see now why I've bought them as a pair. I feel like they look really nice together. Comment below if you've used this mouse or this keyboard, or what keyboard and mouse you prefer, and if you color match things like me, or if you're just, the function over the looks type of thing. If you're thinking of purchasing these products together like I did, I would like to mention that the whites don't quite match. It's not bothering me too much, but the white of the mouse is a little bit more of a light gray, while the keyboard itself is quite bright white. Hope you guys enjoyed my short little first impressions on this keyboard and mouse. I will be checking back in about a month. Let me know if you like this video, or if you don't like this video. Comment below if you have these products, or what keyboard and mouse you use, and why you prefer them best. Thanks for watching!